it's worth taking a moment to recognize that you do have experience and that your experience counts and it matters regardless of how expertise some of the people around you may be. Take the time to recognize that you're the one in your body, and over everything and everyone else, you can hear the messages from your body if you're giving energy and attention to the inner energy field of the body. This is key for you, dear Libra. And I talk about this, I believe, for the worker the whole month, in the month of May, bringing your attention to the inner energy field of the body, staying present with certain sensations inside the body, because that's where your messages are for you. And these are messages that are profound, one in particular that will help you to regain your confidence in trusting yourself, in trusting and believing that what you feel deep down, I'm not talking about emotions, I'm talking about intuition, is true. And that you have the ability to access your intuition. You have the ability to follow through with decisions. It's just that sometimes the issue, if you like, has been that your attention has been outward and on the external part of the body, so to speak. And so when your attention is outward, you generally lose your authentic confidence. So if you want to regain that authentic confidence, attention needs to go back internally.